to a how-to at home. I'm here with Digby and I'm Floss, one of the vets at the clinic, and today we're going to show you how to give your dog a tablet. Ideally, when giving dogs tablets, to make it as less stressful for everyone involved, you can hide it in food. You do just need to be a little bit careful. Some dogs, particularly the fussy eaters, might pick up on the bitter taste of the medicine and then go off their food. So just be mindful of that if you are going to hide it in treats. Otherwise, today I'm going to show you how to give the tablet into their mouth and a few tips and tricks on how to make it enjoyable for them. So if it's always good to start with puppies and get them used to having their face and their mouth handled. If we're going to give our medicine, what we want to do is put it right to the back of the mouth so that they have to swallow, and then always follow that with a treat so it's a positive experience for them. So to open their mouth, if you gently curl their lips over their teeth, they will automatically start to open their mouth because they're not going to want to bite their own lips, but certainly not trying to hurt them in any way. And then I'm just going to place this tablet as far back as I can in Digby's big head there, and then hopefully he'll swallow it for us. So just sort of open the mouth right to the back, push it down, close his mouth, give him a bit of a rub, and then straight away follow with a treat. By giving him the treat, he thinks it's a positive experience, and then next time I go to handle him, he hopefully won't have any bad feelings towards me. For dogs that are a bit funny about having medication given, or if you are going to need to medicate longer term, it's a really good idea to do what we call counter conditioning to get them used to it. So what you can do with that is we follow a similar process, but we're using treats instead of the medication. So what you would do for him is sort of just touch him around the face and then give him the treat. So he starts to learn that if I come and hold him in that position, something positive is going to happen. So we might practice that a few times. We just sort of touch him around the mouth and then he gets a treat. Once you've done that and he seems comfortable with it all, we can then actually pop the treat into his mouth. So we might sort of just open it and put it just in. We'll give it to him, he's spat it out there, and he gets the reward. And you can do that a few times and practice that in between when they have their medication, so they don't think every time you shove your hands down their back of their mouth it's going to be a negative experience. So in order to make everyone's life easy, just remember food is the number one thing for most of our animals, so always try and make sure that any sort of handling is paired with food. If you have any questions about how to give your dog a tablet, or if you've got a puppy at home and you want to start getting them used to it, just shoot us some questions in the comments or contact us at the clinic.